You feel it every day, don't you? The crushing weight of endless pitches, meetings that lead nowhere, the grinding frustration of venture capital that rewards risk without courage, profit without purpose. It's maddening to watch brilliant founders pour their hearts into social enterprises while investors chase quick wins, leaving real impact starving on the sidelines. That gnawing anger, that refusal to accept the shallow game, burns inside you because you know something is broken, something deeply wrong in the way we fuel progress. You stare at spreadsheets, at promises of scale, but behind the numbers, the world is crumbling, and too many good ideas die quietly, never seeing the light of day. Your time, your energy, your passion, they're swallowed by outdated systems designed to protect the comfortable, not to empower the audacious. Enough. This is the moment to shake the foundation, to rip apart the myths VC built, and to build something blazing new, something that finally serves the founders who dare to dream differently and the investors who refuse to gamble on mediocrity. Root cause investing is not just another trend. It destroys the core lie that capital flows to the best ideas because it's smart, rational, or fair. No, it flows to what's easiest to sell, to what fits into neat boxes, to what masks the status quo's failures. Root cause investing is a call to brutal honesty. It demands looking beneath the glitter of pitches and valuations to the raw, unforgiving truth of social impact, the real root causes of the problems your social venture fights against. It forces you to cut through illusions, to see how every dollar can either keep the cycle going or break it forever. This is war against surface-level fixes and sterile growth hacks. This is investing with eyes wide open, heart blazing, and hands ready to dig deep where it hurts. What if capital didn't just fuel companies but set fire under the systems enslaving communities? What if you didn't settle for incremental change but demanded game-changing transformation? Here's how to do it. And listen closely, because this isn't going to be easy or comfortable. Step 1. Stop investing in solutions that are handcuffed to old systems. They're puppets dressed as innovators, repeating failures with shiny new packaging. Invest only in founders who have lived inside the problem, who carry the scars, the knowledge, the relentless hunger to obliterate root causes. Not those with perfect decks, but those with messy reality mapped in every decision. Step 2. Demand transparency like your life depends on it, because it does. If impact can't be tracked to real-world change at the root level, don't touch it. Ask, what happens if this fails? Who pays the price? Is this just a band-aid or a bullet to the disease? Step 3. Build networks of fierce collaboration. Founders linked to investors, not by contracts, but by shared battle cries. Weave webs of support that break isolation, that spark radical ideas by smashing silos. Root cause investing thrives when the few, the relentless, fearless few, stand shoulder to shoulder, refusing to accept the illusion of scarcity and competition. The capital you control must become liquid fire, not just fuel. Fuel that burns down barriers, fuels new ecosystems, and lights the way for others desperate for real change. Every social enterprise founder needs to hear this. Stop begging for scraps from those who see your mission as a side project. Take control. Build alliances relentlessly. Anchor your proposition to truth and deep impact, and never settle for being understandable or palatable. Demand discomfort. It's the only path to real breakthroughs. If your investor does not challenge your vision, push your limits, and confront hard data of root impact, get rid of them. Leaders must become ruthless, not with greed, but with the courage to say no to anything less than transformational capital. You have the power to rewrite the rules of venture capital, but only if you refuse to cooperate with illusions. Only if you see with clear eyes what this broken system protects and where it leaves humanity behind. If you are tired of watching powerful ideas suffocate in the name of safe investments, if you are bursting with the need to turn social enterprises into unstoppable forces of change, here is your battlefield. Embrace root cause investing. Demand it. Be the fire starter who turns capital into an instrument of liberation, not control. Tear away the old scripts, the familiar lies, the comfortable compromises. This is the moment to choose freedom over compliance, impact over profit alone, transformation over repetition. Root cause investing will disrupt venture capital, not gently, but violently. And if you're ready to stop surviving and start changing the world, you must join the fight, armed with nothing but relentless truth and unbreakable will. The future is for those who refuse to settle. Will you be one of them?